Hi, Math Aficionados. This is Victoria, and I'm here today to talk about factoring by substitution. This is a topic in section 5.2, and you would find it on page 336. I did want to go over it because you will see these problems quite often, and being able to handle them will make many of your factoring problems come easier. Make all your dreams come true, let's say that. So let's see what these problems look like. Take a look at the problem that we're factoring here, and we've got quite a mess. We've got 8 times the quantity z plus 5 squared minus 2 times the quantity z plus 5 minus 3. And first of all, if you identify that there is something going on here, you have this z plus 5, which very much looks like what you would normally see as a variable. So to solve this problem, what we're going to do is we're going to replace the z plus 5 in both of these two terms, and we're just going to let it equal to x. They choose z. I take it back. So, no, we choose that. It says we may excuse me. We may choose any letter we wish except z. Why not? Because z would make it confusing. So we choose x. So let x equal to z plus 5. And then we rewrite this equation, this trinomial. So again, it's going to be 8 times x squared minus 2 times x minus 3. Well, that looks more like it because we can easily factor that. We can break it into two binomials, 2x plus 1 and 4x minus 3. Maybe not easily, but it can be done. First of all, let's just check to make sure that does work. We've got a 2x times a 4x is, in fact, an 8x squared. And then our outside ones are going to be a 2x minus 3. That's going to be a 6x. Inside is a plus 4x. So a minus 6 plus 4 is indeed a negative 2x. And then our last terms here are 1 times negative 3. Bam, we have factored this. Now, once we have factored it, what we want to do is we want to substitute back. So once it's factored, we're going to replace x with z plus 5. And so in both of those two places, so 2 times z plus 5 plus 1 and 4 times the quantity z plus 5 minus 3. Distribute and collect like terms, and you'll see that your answer there, so we've got 2z plus 5 plus 10 plus 1 is 11, and 4z plus 20 minus 3 is 17, and there is your factored trinomial. Whew, that's a tough one. And I have one more to go over. This one doesn't look so bad, but we've got to the 4th power. And the best way to handle one of these is to substitute again. So we're going to let r squared equal x. R squared equals x. So then r to the 4th is going to become x squared, and the r squared becomes x. So we rewrite it. We substitute, then we factor. Then once we've factored, we substitute back in to get our answer. So it's got many steps and it's a little complicated, but I'm convinced if you spend some time practicing these, it will make your algebra dreams come true. Thanks for listening. Have a great evening.